Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with CBRE detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by assessing your current financial situation. Gather all your income sources including salary, bonuses, and any side gigs. Next, list all your fixed expenses such as rent or mortgage, utilities, insurance, and loan payments. Include variable expenses like groceries, dining out, entertainment, and personal care. Now, categorize your expenses into needs and wants. Calculate your total monthly income. Subtract your total expenses from your total income to determine your net gain or loss. If you have a surplus, consider allocating this towards savings or investments. If you have a deficit, review your expenses to identify areas where you can cut back. Create a budget framework using a spreadsheet or a budgeting app for clarity and tracking. Set specific financial goals such as saving for a vacation, emergency fund, or retirement. Allocate a portion of your income towards these goals each month. Review your budget regularly to adjust for any changes in income or expenses. Track your spending to ensure it aligns with your budget. Use insights from tools like CBRE to help manage real estate investments and assess market conditions. Incorporate market trends and property values into your budgeting process if applicable. Stay disciplined and revisit your financial goals periodically to stay on track. Celebrate small successes to keep yourself motivated on your budgeting journey. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.